So in today's video, what we are going to do is we are taking up a question based on continuity of a function, and we'll see a understanding of concept based on that. Okay. So here is the question. Let a function f whose range is from 0 to pi by 2 tends to real numbers be a continuous function such that the value of fx is this, and it is tending from 0 to pi by 2. This is closed interval and this is open. Then find the value of f pi by 2. See, whenever a particular limit is given to you and continuous function is given to you, then you have to make sure that you will apply this rule, that your left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equals to the value of the function. Okay. So now if you see our point where we have to find out the value is f pi by 2, right? So here the pi by 2 is open interval, right? So what we are taking up less than pi by 2, that means left hand limit and the value of fx. So for any function to be continuous, that left hand limit should be equal to fx. That means limit x tends to, when we are having left hand limit, then we use the value minus sign, correct? So pi by 2 minus, and then that value of the function, which is fx, is equals to, here what we have to find out, f pi by 2, correct? So now if you put here the value of the function, you will see limit x tends to pi by 2 minus fx is what? This is given to you in the question, cos square x by 4x square minus pi square, right, is equals to f pi by 2. This is what you have to find out. Now solve left hand side. Up, if you see, if you will put pi by 2 as it is into the value of x in place of x, you will get, see, cos square pi by 2 divide by 4 pi by 2 square minus pi square. So cos 90 is 0, and this is 4 pi square by 4 minus pi square, which is also making 0. So 0 by 0 form, indefinite form, indeterminate form. So we can't use the direct formula, right? So the alternative is differentiate numerator and denominator. Differentiate it, okay? So how we will do it? So cos square x is given to us. So basically, if you know, the differentiation of x square is what? Power comes as coefficient and you have to deduct 1 from the power, right? So what you will get, 2x, correct? So similarly, I'm solving this here. Here you have x as cos x, right? Cos x whole square. So it will be 2, x is what? Cos x, correct? Now this is the chain rule. Whatever you have assumed as x, you have to differentiate it. So cos x is your x here. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, divide by, so 4x square. 4 is coefficient. Now for x square, what's your differentiation? 2x. And here is no x, so we are dropping it out. Now limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, right? Now if you see, this is 2 sine theta cos theta. The formula is sine 2 theta. Minus is in here in coefficient. 4 times 2 is x, right? So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, right? Now if what we usually do is we substitute the value of pi by 2. Basically it goes like pi by 2 minus h, and we take limit h tends to 0. But if you take limit h tends to 0 and put here h as 0, then obviously we are putting pi by 2 only, right? So let's put pi by 2 directly into this. So minus sine 2 pi by 2 divide by 8 pi by 2, right? So 2 is cancelled with 2, sine pi is 0, and here is 2 times 4, this is 4 pi, so answer is 0. So for this value, f pi by 2 is 0. I hope you understand the concept, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.